these days is that we might have to give up that what Einstein holds sacred, namely space and time. So he was always thinking, well, we have little pieces of space and time, and out of this,
Dr. Robert Jackraft
universe.
Explaining a holographic universe.
Known as the holographic universe, space and time are created by entangled quantum particles on a sphere that's infinitely far away.
What's happening in space is in some sense all described in terms of being outside here. The ultimate description of reality resides on this screen. Think of it as kind of quantum bits living on that screen. And this, like a movie projector, creates a...
This is what we have in real life. An image and a reflection. Just like what he's showing there. A layer which carries images or reflections. Now let's take that down a step. Let's go look at his latest. Wish I had better volume on this. Nope, it's up all the way. Okay.
Filming in action, capturing each moment in time as a single frame.
Einstein basically tells us, think of the movie reel. And so you have all these little pictures. Now cut them apart one
Same
by
man,
one,
Robert
and
Jackraft.
stack them on top of each other.
Holographic universe. What I thought last time.
And if you go
They're
up
multiple
in time,
layers,
you go
not
up
single.
in time.
See how he does
Now,
this?
kind of glue them all together into one big block. And that block has both space and time. And that's the space-time continuum. It's almost...
Pretty much the exact same picture I'm showing you. In space, you have these layers. Electrical layers in between, magnetic layers. There's north and south, which are actually right hand, left hand. So right hand light going away from you, left hand coming towards you. It doesn't matter. I'm not sure which one. But that's the difference between the red and blue. So there's no such thing as these red and gas giants or blue gas giants. That's just the color being reflected off these layers in between the space by this electrical constituent. Showed you this idea here, which is the same thing. And you look on even the image of Trifid. It's like a red and blue layer. But this here is a reflection of the back of this on two different layers. Now, we'll extrapolate that idea. Bring it on down to the atom. This was an explosion of an atom that Ryan Roberts sent to me. And I immediately saw something here in which is blue, red, and yellow. So in the same sense as our galaxy, the galactic makeup, the layers of red, blue, and yellow, this is just the green just to show it's electrical, but yellow is electrical at this point. So the electrical and then a blue and a red. It's just like it's layered. See that? Blue, red, and yellow. So these are just layers here. This is where that starts at with the atom, with the orbital electrons, orbital shells. They form layers. As those layers emit out from the planet, they join those in space, and you have, the same layers produce the reflections I'm telling you about. There's Eta Carina, Looks like a beach ball in the water. It's just actually a reflection on a layer. The same with Orion. Same structure. Original explosion and the layer in the back showing the reflections. All based on something we're well aware of. The holographic universe. Now I like to look at this picture here and understand that light may not travel. I got other videos and people that show that light propagates on an elastomeric medium, meaning more or less these are layers are made of elastomeric medium. That image just pops from one layer to the next, to the next, to the next. So in a sense, I can take this picture and eliminate everything in between the layers, just like I did here, just having a spot to pop on each layer, and it fits the original idea of this being like a movie projector. You're just seeing the screens as they flash past you. Look at the pencil go past. You see it pop in separate images. You do it with your hand, your fingers. You see the images that follow. That's your two different eyes showing that everything's propagating on a layer.